Welcome to the new episode of BCD Tech. In this episode, I will show you the working of S-View cover for Samsung Galaxy Note 3. I am Dr. BC and you are watching BCD Tech. This is my S-View cover recently purchased from Samsung India. For my previous video on this cover, please click on the link flashing on your screen. Now in this video, I will show you the working of this S-View cover. As you can find a censored PCB on the back of this S-View cover. Now let's see what is written on this censored PCB. I am just lifting this censored PCB from this back panel. Now as you can see that the PCB number is Vero 4W29 and the IC on this PCB is 1717423A1 and there is a positive sign on the first pin of this IC. Here you can find out that the PCB board is A10D9R. Now I will show you how to place back this PCB to your flip cover. Just make sure that this IC portion is facing downward and align it properly within this gap. Now how this S-View cover is worked, here you will find a small tiny magnet. Now I will show you this magnet with this iron piece. As you can see that this iron piece is attracting. Now you will find a Hall sensor inside your Note 3 which is activated through this magnet cover. Now I will show you how to use this S-View cover. Just peel out your back panel from your Note 3 and align this S-View cover and gently press from all of this side. Now this S-View cover is ready to use. Now I will show you the S panel. As you can see that when you press it back, you will find a S window on your glass of this S-View cover. Here we can go through various stuff, answering call or rejecting call. Now I will show you how to remove this S-View cover. Just lift it from your power button side and gently go through all of this corner and you can find out that this S-View cover is removed from your Note 3. Now I will show you this S-View cover without this sensor. Now I am taking this sensor portion apart and now putting Note 3 in this S-View cover. Gently press from all of this side and as you can see that this S-View cover is not activated. The S-Watch is not activated because sensor is not inside your flip cover. So the sensor play a very important role in detecting this S-View cover. So without this small PCB, the S-View cover is not work properly, or it is not work as you can expect from this phone. So this sensor portion takes a very important part in detecting this S-View cover. Now I will show you how to replace this sensor portion. Now make sure that this IC is facing downward. Once you are happy with this alignment, take your plastic tool and gently press from all of the corner. Now this sensor is now attached to your S-View cover. Now I will place this Note 3 back to this S-View cover. Now as you can see that this S-View cover touches your Note 3 at this 2 point. This 2 point is for this S-View cover. When it is touched from these 2 points, this S-View cover is activated and you can use your Hall sensor to detect this S-View motion. Now as you can see that now S-View cover is activated and you will see the S-View window on your flip cover. This completed the working review of SVU cover for Samsung Galaxy Note 3. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The subscription link is shown on your screen. For more video on Samsung Galaxy Note 3, keep watching BCD Tech.